Welcome to my channel, Impi M Glad. Please subscribe and press the notification button kung bago pa kayo dito sa aking channel. Samahan niya ako punta ng Millennium Park. Ito yung madaanan natin. Mayroong subdivision na Villaville. It is developed by Santa Lucia, and this is um, lot. You can buy a lot and build your own house. So, ito yung hitsura sa gate nila. Dito yung tinatawag na Millennial Park. This is under the Marcelo Fernan Bridge, the second bridge of Mactan. Lapu-Lapu and Mandawi City. So, mayroon ditong mga sports like basketball court. You can play basket. They have volleyball. They have tennis, and they have also a children playground here. So this is a park, a Millennial Park, and this is located in Pusuk, Lapu-Lapu City. So this is how it's look like. So you can rest here and feel the air from the sea. So marami tayong pwedeng maupuan dito. Just like that, yung nakikita niyo, pwede kayo makaupo dyan. Marami namang tao nagpunta dito just to relax and feel the air from the sea. That's the bridge. Maraming nagplay ng mga sports like volleyball, basketball, and tennis. Tapos mayroon dito din na pwede ka drink beer, tapos karaoke. Mayroong mga store dito na they are serving beers, and you can sing at the same time, and they are also offering for food. Yun, makikita niyo ang bridge 2. The water is calm. And this is about 6 o'clock in the evening. Sunset. That's how it's look like. Yung nakita niyo na I Love Pusok, ito yun sa ilalim. Parang nasa ilalim ng tubig. Yung mga makikita mo na mga corals. That's how they project. Parang nasa ilalim ka ng tubig. Yung naalala niyo ng movie na Finding Nemo. It is look like that. That's how they come up the idea. Very nice, especially the color. Magaling talaga yung nagawa na ganito. Talented pala yung mga Pilipino. Sea turtle. Kita niyo, sea turtle. That's how. Ito yung mga nakikita kasi nag-snorkeling ako before. Kadalasan makikita niyo itong mga sea turtle, yung mga colored fishes. Ito yung mga makikita mo sa ilalim ng dagat. Parang tunay. There's Nemo! It's a beautiful drawing. Or it's not drawing, it's how they project it. They make it like true underwater. Merong nag-date, merong family nagpunta na kasama yung mga bata. Merong mga tao nagdala ng kanilang mga aso. Ito yung children playground na sinasabi ko. Yun. Merong slide. Yun ang mga nasa children playground. Under the bridge. Yun ang makikita mo. Dito naman, makikita mo yung first bridge. Tapos, yung mga bahay sa gilid, makikita mo naman. Dito yung mga tao na gustong mag-fishing. Makikita. Yun ang mga tao na nag-fishing dito. Dala-dala yung fishing towel. Marami. Ito yung sinasabi ko, nag-volleyball sila. Tapos mayroon silang basketball court, tennis court. Sabi ng taga rito na pwede daw magdala ka ng own nip and also your own bone, and then you can play, you can use cord. Yeah, you have to ask permission from the barangay captain, sinasabi nila. Marelax ka dito kasi mahangin, tapos mayroon kang upuan. Huwag ka lang tumalon kasi ang lalim yan. Pag hindi ka marunong lumangoy, patay ka dyan. Kung may balak ka dito na just to rest and relax, this is the place. Marelax ka dito. May cargo vessel na they are going to cross under the bridge. Siguro yung mga maliit na boat, yun siguro ang Coast Guard na sumalubong sa kanila sa cargo vessel. Yan lang ang nasa isip ko. Very nice location. Nakita mo yung barko, tapos mayroong mga mountains na nakikita, tapos yung sun nag-change color na siya. So beautiful talaga yung nakukuha ko na video. It's almost sunset na the time na nakukuha ko yung video. Nag-cross na siya sa bridge. Nice color. My friends, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.